This Hirschi Realtors property video is presented by kthomas. Fresh, clean, and ready for an easy living lifestyle. If you're looking for a home where you can lock the door, leave town, and spend less time on maintenance, this is it. Brand new luxury vinyl plank flooring, new carpet, and updated cabinetry give the home a fresh, move-in ready feel. The open living area offers plenty of space to relax or entertain, complete with a breakfast bar and room for a dining table. A versatile floor plan with bedrooms on both levels provides flexibility to meet your needs. For more information, review the details below or contact kthomas at 940-692-8120.